Hello, friends. I'm back now after a long time. There was a technical problem with my MacBook, so I couldn't record. I mean, I could record, but I couldn't edit the videos. So I had to wait for my MacBook to get ready. Now it's ready, and again I'm back. Today I'll be showing some press-on nails. But the making of the press-on nails is not the important thing in this video. The main part of the press-on nails is that instead of sticking the press-on nails on my nail bed with glue, I will try to press them, I mean to stick them with hard gel. Now, I didn't try it before. So let's see together that whether this happens or not, or whether I am successful in this process or not. If I am successful, you can do it. You can make your press-on nails, and for your right hand, I mean for your dominant hand especially, and then you can stick it on your nails with the hard gel and get a permanent manicure. So let's get started. I have already buffed and cleansed it with alcohol, but still again I will do it in front of you. This is simple alcohol. I will clean it so that no dust particle is there. Now I will take a brush like this brush, and I have taken Born PT see, you can see Born Pretty's magnetic color, magnetic nail gel, because today I am going to do each and every finger with magnetic gel. So let me start. I'm not applying any base coat, or should I? Okay, let me apply a thin layer of base coat. After that I will apply the color. So the base coat I am applying is from Gelish foundation gel. This is the company. I will apply a thin layer to each and every nail and cure it for 30 seconds. Since my LED lamp is of 54 watts, so 30 seconds is enough time. Actually, you have to find it out with the nail lamp you have, how much time it requires to cure. Now I will cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So it has been cured for 30 seconds. Now I'll apply the magnetic gel directly on the nails. So 2 layers is enough. Now it's looking good. So now I'm going to do the design. I will take this nail, and this nail. I will give a different design to these 2 nails. I will take 2 magnets and will try to give a design. Can you see the design? Now I will give it a quick cure. So you can see one thing, even if you don't have the base color, any other color, say black or navy blue or any darker color, you can just do your magnetic designs with the magnetic gel itself. So there is no need for you to give a base and over that. Of course you can do that, it's your preference, but you can also do it this way. That's what I'm trying to say. Now I will give it a quick cure of 60 seconds. So now they are cured completely. Now comes the trickiest part. So for that, let me keep my nails aside, and for that I have to prep my nails. So I'll just quickly prep my nails. So my nails are buffed. After this, I'll be applying the dehydrated and primer. But before that, I have to etch the nails the back side of these nails. For this is for better adhesion. Let's see. Now my nails are all ready to be applied, and for this I'll be using Yoyogi Builder Gel Clear. But before that, I will dehydrate my nails. First, let me give a wipe. Dehydrator from Marche. Primer from Feng Sheng Mi. Now I'll be using this brush. This is Monja 06. Can you see? Monja 06. And I'm using this mini lamp. Sorry, I forgot to put the base coat. Anyway, this will act as base coat. Now, the trickiest part. I will take some gel and will apply it on here. So, going 45-degree angle, I will place my nail and will hold it tightly. See whether any seepage. I'll just clean it. And we'll hold it under the lamp, give it a flash cure. yes, the nail got stuck with gel. So maybe the curing time is a little more because it is not a transparent nail and the light cannot penetrate through it. So what we can do is we can cure it with the heat of the lamp. So we have to give twice, like for 2 minutes, for 2 minutes in LED. So then my nail got cured. Yeah, I'll do the others. Should I put base coat or let me try it with base coat also. Now let me apply all the other nails. So the nails got stuck with the builder gel. You can also use the base gel to stick your nail. With acrylic also you can stick, but with acrylic it's much easier. But I made a challenge to myself that whether I can stick it with gel or not. The only problem was that you have to put your nails, you have to press your nails and hold it in the lamp for about 30 seconds. Then you release them. Then you give a cure like this for 60 seconds and you turn your hand upside down and again you cure it for another 60 seconds. So the gel that is over inside the nail, the press on nails, it will get cured on the heat, not with the light. It got cured with the heat that was produced in the LED lamp. So again, to be on the safer side, I will give a full cure of 60 seconds again to just to secure the nails. So these are my nails. It got completely cured. Now I'll just wipe it with alcohol so that the sticky layer of the nail of the gel which was there while putting it goes away. Now I have to see how many days it stays. So this is my nails. Hope you liked it. Let me put some cuticle oil. It smells really beautiful. So how do you like the nails? Hope it's nice. Hope the tutorial is helpful to you. So if you like the video, please give a like and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that whenever I upload any type of video, you get notified. So with your help, let me grow and give you more and more new tutorials, this type of nail hacks, and more anything new that I can think of, I will bring it to you. Goodbye.